guys, it's Annette here. Today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me. I'm going to the pool with my friends. It's a nice summer day, nice sunny day outside. So I don't know why I'm making so many. It's a nice sunny day outside, so it's a perfect pool day and it's summer in Los Angeles. I'm gonna do like my going out by the pool kind of look. I've never actually really tried this look, so let's just begin. First of all, I'm gonna put my hair up in a low bun because I don't want my hair to get into the way. So I usually like using these really extra thick hair bands. I don't actually like them. Actually, the way they look, they kind of make me uncomfortable. I don't know, they kind of just remind me of worms, but they're actually amazing. So if you guys want some new hair tie suggestions, this is from I don't know how to pronounce this brand is gonna put my hair in a low bun. I'm gonna put on some contacts as well because I can't wear glasses by the pool because I can't see, and it's just scary for me to just be walking around in water without contacts or a way of seeing basically. So I always have to be on my guard 24/7 and wear contacts while I'm in the pool because you never know what's gonna get you underneath the pool. There could be like sharks, bears, aardvark, you never know. So I'm just gonna put those in, so don't mind me, don't mind me. If you're wearing contacts, make sure your hands are clean. My hands are already clean. I washed them in my bath water. Get that, put it on your palm. This is how you put in contacts, everyone. You know? Oh shoot, get that like that, and oh shoot, it fell out. I'm not gonna put this on camera because like I can't really see myself because I'm not wearing contacts, so hold on. Ah! I don't know why it's burning my eye. I don't think it's supposed to do that. Oh, this green loofah is really killing the look. Oh, it's stinging, it burns. It burns. Okay, just ignore my really red eye. Why is it so, like, it's burning me? My contact is like freaking out. Should I wear a new one? I'm gonna wear a new one. Oh, that's so much better. Okay, so now once you have contacts that don't burn your eye from the inside, like a little secret mold agent that probably someone planted so they can burn my eye off. Come on, I'm filming a video here. You need to close the door. People these days, dog. Anyways, so my first step always is to, you guessed it, moisturize. I'm using the Believe True Cream Moisturizing Balm, the one that I always use because it's amazing. Get a little dollop on my hand. Why am I so out of breath? A little like that, you know, not too crazy. You just put it all over your face like you're frosting a delicious donut. A delicious old-fashioned donut. Lindsay is such an old-fashioned donut. Classic and just delicious. Such a snack. So, lucky Lindsay. Once you moisturize your face, I'm going to put on some sunscreen, which is the most important part because you don't want to be unprotected against the sun. You will need to stay safe, and to stay safe, you put on some sunscreen on your face. So, I'm using the Glossier Invisible Shield. It is a daily sunscreen with an SPF of 35. I thought it was 15. Whoa. The reason I really like this is because it's very like not like sunscreen. I really don't like the feeling of sunscreen on my face, but this is very liquidy. It's almost like, ooh, it's almost like a serum kind of thing. It looks like this. It's very light. Oh, so nice. So nice. Like so. The next step I do, just spritz my face with some priming water. Yeah, it's in my mouth. Then I'm gonna get my Mario Badescu rose water. Just spritz that all over my face as well. All over my body too. I love that stuff. Oh, it got in my mouth. So once your face is literally drenched in rose water, then we can begin with the actual makeup portion. It's gonna be very minimal makeup because I don't want to go to the pool like wearing a full face of makeup because it's not my kind of situation. I'm gonna be honest, I perspire a lot, I think more than usual, so I'm not gonna put on that much makeup. Only thing we're gonna do, just eyes, eyebrows, and just a touch of highlight because I can't not highlight my face. First, we're gonna go in with boy brow. I'm gonna get a mirror. That would be a good idea. That would be a great idea. I'm gonna use, oh shoot! Okay, I'm just gonna coat that onto my brows. Really light. Oh, I really like brow gel, but you know, I just don't know how much is gonna come off of it. Kind of scary. Alright. Sure. Yeah, get out! You can't just hog the bathroom. You hog the bathroom every morning while you take your morning dump. Don't worry, I'll delete that. She doesn't watch my videos. She didn't close the door yet. Once you brush your eyebrows like you're brushing some corn husks, corn hair, you know the hair like that? Yeah, you know. After that, we're gonna go in with some eyeliner. But wait, I use brown. I don't know why I'm being kind of annoying right right now. I just drank some coffee, so that's why I'm kind of a little hyper. So I'm using brown eyeliner because brown I feel like is a little more natural, it's a little more subtle. I'm gonna use the Soft Coal Rimmel London. I love this eyeliner. It's so good. It's always so soft and it just smoothly glides onto your face. Was this not focused? If it wasn't focused the entire time, I'm literally going to smash a watermelon. Close the door! Goodness gracious! I'm just gonna blend it out a little with my hand. I feel like you can't even see a difference, but it's fine. Then I'm gonna get my trusty eyelash curler and then I'm gonna just curl my lashes. You can wear waterproof mascara if you want. I don't have waterproof mascara because I don't really trust it, but if you want to do that, you do what you want to do. Highlighter, liquid highlighter. Dab it onto my cheekbones. I'm gonna retie my hair because my hair is looking a little grandma-esque. Nothing wrong with grandmas. I'm not going for that look today. Actually, I'm gonna keep my hair down, and then spray it with some setting spray. Any setting spray will do. I'm done getting ready. This is my outfit. No, I don't want to wear this shirt. Hold on. I'm gonna wear this button-down shirt. I think button-ups are perfect for cover-ups. I actually got this at a thrift store for like $3. I'm gonna button like the second button and the third button. Ooh, I'm gonna tie it actually. So I'm gonna roll up my sleeves. And I think we are ready. I'm wearing a jean skirt. Okay, bye! Bye! Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.